All-in-one energy storage cabinet. Modular, easy assemble solution. Let's build your system. Neatly arranged components for quick installation. Position inverter cabinet on base frame. Mount full inverter cabinet onto storage unit. Install inverters sequentially. Attach louvered side panels for optimized airflow. Secure top cover to inverter cabinet. Position AL8DBO cabinet on base. Insert battery modules sequentially. Install circuit breaker bus bar centrally in AL8DBO cabinet. Secure louvered side panels. Fit top cover to AL8DBO cabinet. Complete final assembly. Lift full cabinet onto truck via crane/forklift. Install on-site Connect solar panels. System ready. Powers homes/businesses with stable, efficient clean energy.